Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Join me, let's make river state style of fisherman soup. The best fish for this recipe is a river catfish, but let's use what I have at hand to achieve that. Let's start by prepping some of the ingredients. What is already in the blender is a shrimp head, then ozuza seed. Toss it into a blender and blend very smoothly. Then filter it to get the chaff. What we need is just the stock. Then, to achieve a very smooth paste, we are using blender to blend our cocoyam. You can pause and watch all the ingredients I will be using, but nevertheless, I will be mentioning them while I put them in the pot. This is already cleaned catfish. I use salt and lime and hot water to achieve that. I season it up with seasoning cube, pepper, and salt. Turn it around so that the pepper and all the seasoning will get to every part of the fish, and I cover it to cook. After boiling for like 3 minutes, I now add the stock which we blended area, which is the shrimp head and the uza seed. And I immediately went in with palm oil and the blended cocoyam. Fish doesn't take much to cook. Within 10 to 15 minutes, this soup is ready. So we are doing everything real quick. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and give this video thumbs up so that it will be suggested to the wider audience. After boiling for some time and the cocoyam has dissolved smoothly, so I now went in with crab. Give it a gentle stir and cover to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I now went in with shrimps. After allowing it to cook for a minute, I now tested for salt. I needed some, so I adjusted with some salt. Cover and allow again to cook for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes, I add shelled periwinkle. After adding the periwinkle, I give it a gentle stir and allow to come together for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I went in with oza leaf. Turn it around, allow it to cook down for 2 to 3 minutes. Oza leaf is more like a herb, so allow it to, cook down and infuse the flavor into your meal. With that, we get the real taste of it. By this time, I tested for salt and seasoning, and everything is very okay, and our soup is ready. Tell me, which swallow are you going to eat this with? Tell me in the comment section. And do well to subscribe to my channel and share the video so that we get wider audience. Love you and see you in my next video. Watch to the end.